Hello, Dreamcell Services here. Today I will disassemble a HP 510 or HP 500 Designjet. So the first thing you're going to do is to remove the 3 screws at the back. You're going to use a special screwdriver Allen key to be able to remove the 3 screws at the back. So the reason why I'm going to be taking this part is because I want to service different parts on this particular device. So after removing the 3 screws at the back of this device, you're going to gently open the front door. That is the door that houses the print head. Gently open it up and then lift it from the back also, like I'm doing right now, and the whole front panel is going to come off. Both the front door and the back door, raise it up with your hand and everything is going to come up like this. You can see all of them is out. This is the door. So the next thing I'm going to do is to remove the cover on the right hand side. You can see there is a cover on the right hand side and the left hand side. I am going to proceed to remove them right now. I may have some screws that are holding it down, so I'll show you where the screws are located. So just use your Allen key to remove them. So towards the side where you have your cartridges, ink cartridges, there's a screw there. This one I'm pointing at right now, and there's another one down here. So get your Allen key. I'm going to remove them all. And while you're working on this particular ink station area, you have to be very careful because we have different parts that are very sensitive. So carefully remove each of these screws. There's another one here I'm taking part right now, and there's another one here again, and there is another one here under. You can see there is another one here under. I'm going to remove them all. Now all the screws are out. All the screws are out. I'm going to remove this the panel on the right hand side on the edge of the printer. You can see you have to pull it out carefully in order not to cut any cable or flex that might be there. You have to be very careful. Carefully pry it open both ways so as not to cut any of those cable. You can see this cable here. You have to be very careful with them. So gently pry it open. Don't apply too much force. Just carefully lift it up and bring it out, just like I just did right now. It is out right now, so I'll go ahead and then service all the areas that I want to service. And the same method you're going to use to remove the other one at the other end on the left hand side, you're going to make use of the same method to remove it. So today I'm going to be servicing different parts of this machine. Thank you.